Hello all, my name is Pavan Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, continuing our playlist on NLP quantifiers. So in our previous video we have discussed about the quantifier, which is a question mark, and today in this particular video we are going to discuss about the quantifier, which is a star. Okay, so which can appear 0 or more number of times in a given factor. Okay, so now let's try to take an example. What I will do is, like, I will just type print find pattern in what I will give is, like, here I will try to give it as ABC, and here I will try to give it as ABCD. Okay, so now let's try to run this particular cell and let's see, like, what will be the output. And here I will try to give it as a star. We will try to run this particular cell. So here you can see that the match ABC is present in the pattern ABCD, and it is present with the span of 0 to 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. So this can appear between 0 to 3. Okay, so we'll take one more example. I will try to make it as find pattern, and what I will try to do it as, I will try to give it as X, Y, Z, and here I will try to give it as X, Y, Z, E, and here I will try to give it as star. Okay, so now let's see, like, what might be the output. So here the output should be, it should be the between the span of 0 to 3, and the match should be XYZ. Yes, we are getting with the match XYZ with the span of 0 to 3. So this can appear 0 or more number of times in a pattern. Okay, so now we'll see one more example to understand better. Find pattern. So what I will do is, like, here I will try to give it as DKYM, and here I will try to give it as DFYM, and here I will try to give it as a star. Okay, so here the input is DKYM and here it is DFYM. Okay, so we'll see. So here you can see, like, it's not found. So since the input is DKYM and here the pattern is DFYM, so that's the reason, like, we can compare with this, so it shows that it's not found. Okay, so this is about that's all about this quantifier star. In the coming videos we will discuss about the one more quantifier, that is S. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please just subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. See you another. Thank you. Bye bye.